Hello and welcome to a brand new episode of Planet Bollywood. मैं हूं सागरिका छेत्री and I bring you the latest from the world of Bollywood, social media and entertainment. Before I get started, a quick reminder to go check out our Zoom Facebook page for more updates on your favorite Bollywood celebrities. And now, without further ado, let's begin with the top headlines of the day. Did Ananya Pandey copy Khloe Kardashian's dialogue in a recent reality series? Did Ranveer borrow Deepika's pearl necklace in his latest social media post? Sara Ali Khan admits she isn't spontaneous like her parents, but hopes audience will give Coolie number 1 a fair chance. Diljit Dosanjh comes out in support of farmers, donates 1 crore towards buying them warm clothing.
हिंदी में भी बोल रहा हूं सर, फिर बाद में गूगल ना करना पड़े। हिंदी में भी बोल रहा हूं सर, फिर बाद में गूगल ना करना पड़े। कि अगर आप हमें सुन रहे हैं, यहाँ कोई भी किसान के अलावा कोई बात नहीं हो रही है।
Diljit Dosanjh attended the farmers' protest at the Singhu border near Delhi, NCR. दिलजीत ने फार्मर्स के साथ सॉलिडारिटी दिखाते हुए पंजाबी में पावरफुल स्पीच भी दिया and made sure to also share his point of view in Hindi so that in his words किसी को उनकी बातों को समझने में मुश्किल ना हो. Diljit Dosanjh has been making headlines after his public spat with Kangana Ranaut over the ongoing farmers' protest. Kangana and Diljit's differing points of view on the ongoing crisis led to an angry exchange of words between the two on social media, with Kangana even calling Diljit Karan Johar's pet at one point. It now seems that Diljit is putting his money where his mouth is, quite literally, by attending the farmers' protest and donating 1 crore rupees towards purchasing warm clothes for those protesting. Diljit, who was a very popular artist in Punjab even before he made his debut in Bollywood as an actor, has been making statements supporting the cause of the protesting farmers who are currently in talks with government officials over a change in the laws that they believe are unfair to them. Diljit ने farmers को सलाम करते हुए कहा कि उनके इस प्रोटेस्ट को इतिहास याद रखेगी. दिलजीत ने सोशल मीडिया पे फार्मर्स के सपोर्ट में कई पोस्ट शेयर किए हैं और कंगना के शेयर किए हुए फॉल्स न्यूज के खिलाफ भी स्टेटमेंट्स और फैक्ट्स प्रेजेंट किए हैं. दिलजीत और कंगना के बीच काफी ऑनलाइन कहासुनी हो चुकी है, लेकिन अब लगता है कि दिलजीत ग्राउंड लेवल पर भी फार्मर प्रोटेस्ट में अपना स्टैंड ले रहे हैं. The singer actor made a powerful speech at a protest rally which had several strong comments that seemed to be targeted at people like Kangana, जो farmer protest के खिलाफ अपने opinion शेयर कर रहे हैं और protesters को anti-social elements के साथ compare कर रहे हैं. दिलजीत said,
हिंदी में भी बोल रहा हूं सर, फिर बाद में गूगल ना करना पड़े। कि अगर आप हमें सुन रहे हैं, यहाँ कोई भी किसान के अलावा कोई बात नहीं हो रही है। मुद्दों को ना भटकाया जाए। किसान जो भी चाहते हैं सरकार उनकी मांगों को मांगे। सब पीसफुली बैठे हैं यहाँ पे.
कंगना के खिलाफ अपने टॉन्ट्स को जारी रखते हुए दिलजीत ऑल्सो एडेड, हिंदी में भी बोल रहा हूँ, फिर बाद में गूगल ना करना पड़े.
हिंदी में भी बोल रहा हूं सर, फिर बाद में गूगल ना करना पड़े. हिंदी में भी बोल रहा हूं सर, फिर बाद में गूगल ना करना पड़े.
The singer actor also donated 1 crore rupees towards the purchase of warm clothes for the protesters. दिलजीत ने बिना बताए ये अमाउंट डोनेट किया था. But another singer from Punjab, Singar, revealed that Diljit had made this generous contribution. अपने gratitude को express करते हुए सिंगर ने कहा, "Thank you, brother. You gave 1 crore rupees for the farmers for their warm clothes, and nobody knows. You didn't post about it. Nowadays, people can't shut up after donating 10 rupees." Diljit seems to have really struck a chord with his passionate support of the farmers, and his popularity is reflected by the fact that the singer has gained nearly 4.3 million followers on a microblogging site. But it is refreshing to see a celebrity take a fearless stand for a cause he believes in and act actively supporting a cause beyond sharing posts on social media.
इसमें कोई कसर नहीं होनी चाहिए।
क्या नहीं होनी चाहिए?
टेस्ट में कोई कसर नहीं होनी चाहिए।
अच्छा।
जाओ अपने ससुराल वालों के पास। अरे मायके, जाओ अपने मायके। क्या यार डायलॉग याद करके
जाओ अपने ससुराल वाले के पास।
अच्छा पढ़ना चाहिए।
ससुराल वाले।
आदित्य नारायण की शादी से सबसे ज्यादा खुशी उनके पिता उदित नारायण को हुई है, who is ecstatic after getting his only son married. The veteran singer has shared that his son Aditya and daughter-in-law Shweta had been together for 10 years. और इसीलिए वक्त आ गया था कि उनकी शादी कर दी जाए। Aditya Narayan and Shweta Agarwal married on the 1st of December, which also happens to be Udit Narayan's birthday. And it looks like Aditya ने पापा को शादी करके सबसे अनमोल तोहफा दिया है। Aditya, who was dating Shweta for over 10 years, married his lady love in a simple ceremony that was followed by a small reception where many of their friends and family and colleagues from the industry, including 90s star Govinda, attended. अपने इकलौते बेटे आदित्य की शादी उदित जी बहुत धूमधाम से करना चाहते थे, लेकिन करंट सिनेरियो की वजह से उन्हें सारे फंक्शन सिंपल रखने पड़े। दिसंबर में शादी करना बहुत शुभ होगा, ये सुनकर उदित जी और श्वेता के पेरेंट्स ने डिसाइड किया कि अब आदित्य और श्वेता की शादी और पोस्टपोन नहीं होनी चाहिए। Though in an ideal situation, he would have liked to wait till the pandemic was over so they could organize a lavish celebration, Shweta's family and Aditya didn't want to wait any longer. Udit ji commented, "My son and Shweta were in a live-in relationship for 10 years. I guess it was time for them to make it official." Wedding functions और guest list के बारे में बात करते हुए उदित जी ने कहा कि शादी मंदिर में ऑर्गेनाइज की गई with only family and close friends in attendance, while for the reception, since only 50 people were allowed at one venue, उन्होंने एक 5-star होटल में 3 सेक्शंस बुक किए और हर वेन्यू में अपने 50 गेस्ट को होस्ट किया। शादी और रिसेप्शन से पहले the family had a simple tilak ceremony and a मेहंदी and संगीत function with very few guests attending. स्मॉल स्केल पे शादी करने के बारे में बात करते हुए उदित जी ने कहा, I feel sad about not being able to invite everyone, but I promise to invite all my friends after the threat is over. But while it was a simple and low-profile wedding, it was a joyous occasion with people showering their love and blessings on the couple. Udit ji revealed कि Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji ने उन्हें खत लिखा in response to the wedding invitation that was sent to him. Amitabh Bachchan and the Ambani family also responded to his invites, as did the Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, जिन्होंने फोन पे उन्हें मुबारकबाद दी। जब उन्हें उनकी नई बहू के बारे में पूछा गया तो उदित जी ने कहा कि श्वेता बहुत सॉफ्ट स्पोकन और शर्मीली है और बहुत कम बोलती है। इनफैक्ट जब वो बोलती है तो उन्हें बहुत ध्यान से सुनना पड़ता है टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट शी इज सेइंग। अपने फॉर्मली एलिजिबल बैचलर सन आदित्य के बारे में बात करते हुए उदित जी ने कहा, We had received many marriage proposals for Aditya and very tempting ones. When he told my wife and I that he wanted to marry the girl he had been for so many years, I was happy. Looks like the Narayan family is delighted indeed to have a brand new bahu in the house, and we wish that the entire family stays happy and content forever. Sara Ali Khan has made an honest confession. The young star admitted कि वो अपने parents की तरह spontaneous नहीं है, especially in a difficult genre like comedy. Sara, जो बहुत जल्द दिखेंगी कूली नंबर 1 के रीमेक में, also shared in a recent interview कि फिल्म के ओरिजिनल प्लॉट को प्रॉब्लमैटिक ना समझते हुए उसे ह्यूमर के लेंस से देखना चाहिए।
Sara Ali Khan has waited a long time for the release of a film Coolie number 1. Her last film Love Aajkal tanked at the box office and her performance didn't receive positive comments either. After trying the offbeat, Sara Ali Khan decided to choose the mainstream. और कॉमेडी जॉनर में पहली ही बार उन्होंने कॉमेडीज के बादशाह डेविड धवन के साथ फिल्म साइन की, opposite Varun Dhawan, who has already worked in such films before. But what does Sara think about the issues netizens are raising with the remake and the fact that the movie is also being trolled for not having 1 but 2 star kids? Take a look.
Sara began her career with the masala pot boiler Simba, directed by Rohit Shetty. But like most female characters in Rohit Shetty films, she had little to do except join in for a song sequence. She got an opportunity to showcase her acting skills in Kedarnath. But Love Aajkal that followed was a critical and commercial failure at the box office. इसीलिए अब सारा की सारी उम्मीदें कूली नंबर 1 से जुड़ी है and the 2020 remake of a 1995 film starring Govinda and Karisma Kapoor is all set to stream on a streaming platform this Christmas. But जहां जोक्स पे हंसना आसान है, लोगों को अच्छे कॉमिक टाइमिंग से हंसाना उतना ही मुश्किल. Speaking to a tabloid about her experience of working in an out-and-out comedy film from the David Dhawan brand of filmmaking, Sara ने कहा that it wasn't an easy experience. She admitted that unlike both her parents who have aced their performances in comic roles, she is not as spontaneous. I'm not as spontaneous as my dad or my mother. It's all about reacting to what the other person says. It's a difficult genre to crack. Varun helped me improve my comic timing. He is much more experienced in this genre. The actor also addressed the concerns being raised by netizens that the film's original plot, where Govinda's character dupes Karisma into believing he is rich while he actually is a coolie, may be problematic in today's times. सारा का मानना है कि जिंदगी में अगर हर चीज पॉलिटिकली करेक्ट तरीके से ही बताई जाए तो कॉमेडी का स्कोप ही खत्म हो जाएगा. She believes that the original film is not about the man cheating the woman, but about the two falling in love, and people should respect the spirit of the film. I'd urge people to watch the film with the honest intention with which it is told. Of course, you can't be demeaning. Govinda sir duping Karisma to make her believe he is not a coolie is funny. Well, here's hoping कि लोग आपकी इस फिल्म को पसंद करें, and while audience sensibilities have changed over the years, a good film is something everyone enjoys no matter what the decade. Looks like trying to sound cool has landed Ananya Pandey in a hot mess. The young star was recently part of a reality drama series featuring her mom Bhavna Pandey. And if netizens are to be believed, she may have copied a line of dialogue from reality star Khloe Kardashian and passed it off as her own.
One of the occupational hazards of being a movie star is that anything you say, don't say, wear or don't wear can become fodder for trolling. Ananya has been trolled a lot for her choice of clothes. But looks like इस बार इशू फैशन फॉपा नहीं, प्लेजरिज्म का है. अब अनन्या ने जो लाइन कही वो उन्होंने खुद डिसाइड की थी और इट वाज कॉपीड फॉर हर बाय एन ओवर एंथुसियास्टिक राइटर. ये शायद उनके मेंटोर और रियलिटी शो की प्रोड्यूसर करण जौहर ही बता पाएंगे.
अनन्या पांडे को दीपिका का आउटफिट कॉपी करने के लिए तो ट्रोल किया गया है. But now looks like she's copying dialogues from reality shows as well. The young star made occasional appearances on a reality show that featured her mom Bhavna Pandey and her friends Maheep Kapoor, Seema Khan and Neelam Kothari. In her introductory scene in the show, Ananya अपने किसी शूट के लिए रेडी हो रही है और अपनी टीम से बातें कर रही है. जब abusive words यूज करने की बात निकलती है तो Ananya is seen saying to her hair and makeup that her parents used a particular swear word so often she actually thought it was her name. Ananya says, "I have grown up around you and Papa abusing. When I was young, I thought my name was F because you all used to say it. Her mother is seen denying at the end of the scene. While most viewers saw the episode thought कि ये अनन्या की original witty line है. Turns out either she or the show's scriptwriters borrowed, or should we say outright copied the line from another show featuring reality star Khloe Kardashian. Netizens have shared a screenshot of the episode where the subtitles show Khloe speaking about her mother and saying, "My mom cursed so much when we were little, I thought my name was F." While neither Ananya or the show's makers have issued a clarification about this rather blatant chori, Ananya has decided that वो अब trolls की नहीं सहेगी सीना जोरी. The actor who spoke to Kareena Kapoor Khan on her chat show recently revealed that after dressing to please people for a long time, she is now dressing in a way that makes her happy. The star said, "When it comes to trolling, now I'm just like, anything I do or wear, I'm going to get trolled anyway. So it's fine as long as I'm happy and comfortable. As long as I'm happy and I get good pictures, I am fine," she said. Ananya Pandey also revealed कि आजकल जिम लुक्स और एयरपोर्ट लुक्स के प्रेशर से भी वो परेशान हो गई है and has stopped going to the gym because she can't realistically keep finding new things to wear every time she goes to the gym. Even with her airport look, now she opts to be comfortable and wear jeans, t-shirts and sneakers instead of carrying trench coats or wear stylish-looking outfits that are not easy to travel in. We never said being a star was going to be easy, Ananya. While trolls are painful and unnecessary, they are sadly now a part of a celebrity's life anywhere in the world. कृष्णा अभिषेक ने कबूल किया है कि उन्होंने अपने मामा गोविंदा की मौजूदगी में शो में परफॉर्म करने से इनकार कर दिया. In a recent episode of Chat Show hosted by Kapil Sharma, जहां कृष्णा regularly perform करते हैं, the comic indirectly hinted at his problematic equation with actor Govinda that led to his absence on the episode featuring the 90s star.
The spat between Govinda and his nephew Krishna Abhishek has taken quite an ugly turn, with the two now publicly admitting that they aren't on talking terms and that the relationship has broken down completely. वजह क्या है उसे pinpoint करना मुश्किल है, but it seems like several misunderstandings have led to this unfortunate situation. So much so that recently when Chi-Chi made an appearance on a chat show hosted by Kapil Sharma, Krishna Abhishek refused to be a part of that episode. Take a look.
वैसे तो मामा भांजे की जोड़ी बहुत खास होती है, but looks like कृष्णा अभिषेक और गोविंदा के झगड़े ने उनके रिश्ते में बहुत complications खड़ी कर दी है. Krishna Abhishek is a popular cast member on Kapil Sharma's chat show, and his absence was glaringly obvious given his rather public spat with Mama Chi-Chi. While Govinda had issued a statement after his appearance on the show, distancing himself from Krishna and his wife Kashmira Shah, Krishna ने एक recent episode में indirectly admit किया that he had in fact excused himself from the episode. As a part of the show, Krishna was in character as Sapna Lal Nala Soparia and chatting with actor Nawazuddin Siddiqui, who had appeared on the show for promotions. Act के दौरान Krishna's character is seen telling Nawazuddin कि जो भी कपिल के शो पे आता है वो उनको प्रमोट करते हैं. Krishna used one of Nawaz's dialogues and added, "बाप का, दादा का, सबका." Not losing an opportunity to tease Krishna, कपिल ने उनसे तुरंत पूछा कि वो क्या अपने मामा को भी प्रमोट करेंगे. एक्ट को जारी रखते हुए कृष्णा इन हिज कैरेक्टर ऑफ सपना लाल रिस्पॉन्डेड दैट जब उनके मामा शो पे आए थे उन्होंने जानबूझ के परफॉर्म नहीं किया. While Krishna didn't mention गोविंदा, समझदार को इशारा काफी है कि उनका कमेंट गोविंदा के बारे में था. Krishna had also told an entertainment portal earlier that he didn't appear on the episode featuring Govinda because वो अपने आंसू नहीं रोक पाते. Krishna had also added, I refuse to do the episode featuring my mama Govinda as there are some differences between us and I didn't want any of our issues to affect the show. For comedy to be effective, you need to work in a warm, friendly atmosphere. Laughter can only be generated in the midst of good relations. Good relations हो तो हंसी खुशी का माहौल अपने आप बन जाता है. But sadly, it looks like this family feud has now worsened beyond repair.
Planet Bollywood में लेते हैं एक छोटा सा break, but stay tuned because I'll be back in a short while.
Did Ranveer steal a necklace from Deepika's jewelry collection for his outfit of the day? या फिर दीपिका बैक टू बैक फिल्म्स के साथ बिजी है तो रणवीर ने उन्हें अपने करीब रखने के लिए उनकी मोतियों की माला पहन ली.
After a long and unexpected break due to the pandemic and lockdown, Deepika Padukone and Ranveer Singh are back to the grind. While Deepika has been busy traveling back and forth between Mumbai and Alibag, Ranveer Singh has announced his next film Circus with Rohit Shetty and has also started dubbing for Jayesh Bhai Jordar, which is yet to be released. But while the two of them are really busy with their own lives and work, वो एक दूसरे को स्पेशल फील कराने का कोई मौका नहीं छोड़ते. Whether it is stealing some quality time together before Deepika departed for her shoot or Ranveer sporting what seems to be pearls from Deepika's closet.
Deepika's last film was Chhapaak, which released in January this year, after which the actor has been away from the big screen thanks to the pandemic and lockdown. She has a cameo appearance in 83 opposite Ranveer Singh, but looks like 2021 is going to be extra busy for the diva who has already resumed work with Shakun Batra's next film. In an interview, Deepika spoke about how she is going to be busy with back-to-back movies and will be working without a break for the next several months. लेकिन उन्हें इस बात से कोई शिकायत नहीं है. Deepika, who has signed Nag Ashwin's next film opposite Prabhas and will also reportedly be seen with Shah Rukh Khan in his comeback movie Pathaan, is ecstatic to have so many big-ticket projects in her kitty. The gorgeous star said in her interview, "Early next year, I start my film with Nag Ashwin. As everyone knows right now, I am busy with Shakun's next. After that, there is another film lined up which will be announced soon. So I will be constantly at work now, minus any breather." But looks like Deepika busy होने की वजह से उनके हस्बैंड रणवीर सिंह उन्हें बहुत मिस कर रहे हैं और अपनी वाइफ को अपने दिल के पास रखने के लिए उन्होंने दीपिका की पर्ल नेकलेस को पहन लिया. जी हाँ, in one of his latest social media posts, Ranveer shared a picture with a stunning view of the ocean in the backdrop, लेकिन सबकी नजर उनके गले में लटकी मोतियों की माला पर थी. Ranveer, who is well known for his over-the-top dressing sense and fondness for caps, sunglasses and chunky jewelry, seems to have stepped right into a troll fest with his choice of accessories this time around. Ranveer was seen sporting a diamond stud and pearl necklace in the picture. And netizens had a field day poking fun at the star, asking him to return Deepika's jewelry. Ranveer's friend Arjun Kapoor also couldn't resist teasing his buddy and commented कि वो हीरा नहीं मोती है. Some of the other comments on the post were, well, Ranveer, looks like इस बार आप इस मोतियों की माला में फंस गए हैं. Maybe next time your stylist will be a tad careful before encouraging you to borrow jewelry from your BV's closet.
Well, that brings us to the end of our episode on Planet Bollywood. Do not forget to leave your comments and views in the comment section on our social media handles and digital platform. This is me, Sagarika Chetri, signing off for now, promising to be back tomorrow with more. You guys till then stay home and stay safe. Bye-bye.